Must have just been the cat. Probably just the cat.
Ah, shit.
Okay, before I was kind of skeptical, but I know that noise was definitely the cat. Oh my God! Oh, you scared me. Have you been here the whole time? That cat is always getting into something. What? Cats are quieter than dogs, they said. Well, mine isn't. Wait a minute, have you been ignoring all that noise I was making? I've been hauling all your stuff. The fridge, the dishwasher, been making multiple trips. Oh my God, Whiskers, be quiet! Dude, your cat is dead. It scared me when I first came in, and I accidentally kicked it multiple times. But then it was still alive, so I shot it.